Hello, welcome back to Simplexity Code, where we look at how we can use code in a very easy and simple way. And today we are going to be continuing from what we built last time. So we are going to use a lot of AI. So the first thing we want to see, how can we make AI give us a certain kind of content that are acting as API. So think of this. Think of you using the API to produce another API to get what you want. So that's what exactly we're going to be doing. We're going to be getting data from OpenAI through their API, and we are going to create another API that is going to be feeding our extension. Sounds so complex, right? Yeah, I couldn't understand the same. Let's go. So we have our chat GPT where we want to test some prompts and see if we can make a very good prompt that can be so useful to return specific data. And so we build an extension that will be able to produce code as what we can see in our everyday. Our journey will start here. We'll start by saying, let's say, act. All right, so this is our first test, and we see it's return almost code only, but it doesn't show implementation. So I resend, but showing that we need implementation. It gives me what I want, but I don't like this part using the language specified. Let's see that. There we go. That's good. That's good. So now we have exactly what we want. Here we go. It's working. All right, welcome back. Now we have done our research on prompt, and we managed to build a very good prompt that can be able to request from OpenAI exactly what we want. So let's go and see how we can implement that particular code. So now we are on VS Code where we want to create our extension. We'll write your code and we'll press enter. And the moment it's back, we can get JavaScript and we'll call this code gen 101. Code gen 101. Now we can be able to go to open code, new VS Code window. Remember that you need to make sure that you operate in new VS Code window. So I'll press enter. So my VS Code is here. Okay, my extension is screened. So let me first run it by pressing function F5, Control Shift paragraph, hello world. Yeah, code gen 101. So it's working. The next thing I want to install is Axios. So go npm install. Very good. And I'll come here, I'll say I'll make a function. So now we are going to be able to return our data exactly. I have two images that I want to look if they are equal. So think of this. I haven't tested this, but I'm thinking I'm thinking that I wanted this AI to help me to figure out how I can do this. I have two images that I want to look if they are the same. Okay, so they say in Java, you import that, then you have two images. This is good. Then we have, there's no class. That's good. That's a good start. Yeah. But he's starting also to comment. Okay, so let me guide the AI that all your comments should be in the comments. No explanation or comment. This is so strict. Let's do it again. I want to play an MP3. How good it is. So here is the code. Need to import those, but also that. Then, oh my God. So this is almost exactly what we want. Let me try to use it now in real life. Let's go here. I create a new file. I don't even know this project here. It's what? Index.html, YouTube. Oh God. Yeah, Jen there has started the process. We know it has started. So with this kind of error, I need to extend my time. How do I extend that? I need to go back to actuals and add more time there. So what will I do here? It's on my function here. I'll go back here and they say, okay, that's good, but I need this, and I'll extend that and I'll say, I'm out. I go to what? That's 5,000, 5 seconds. Let me go to 20, 1, 2, 3. That's huge. Let me see that. Process. It's going now. It's doing the process in the background. Back. And there is a thing now I will start removing, especially the hash when I'm sending. I don't want the hash to go there, but also the dot. I don't want that to be. So one of the thing I will do here is the language dot request equals to request dot. Language. So now we have emphasized a little bit more because there is a lot of repetitions within the prompt. And yeah, let's see how it will look. You see that? That's what we are talking about. That's what we are talking when we say AI can do it. So thank you very much. Remember to share, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, when we are changing this project to be a little bit more flexible, you don't need to press keyboard. You just need to push the hash and then it will create the code, things like that. Until next time, remember to share, subscribe, and comment, and tell other people, tell other people that here we are doing it real.